Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you with us. I'm Wes Cooper. Brad and Jenny have the night off tonight. Coverage you can count on begins tonight with the fight against coronavirus, and some local health leaders say they are seeing an increase in cases and hospitalizations. Here's the latest.
In our COVID-19 test.
Many health experts say even though there are vaccines, we're not out of the woods yet.
Most of our ICUs now actually have COVID patients in them. We've had to convert more units over to COVID, and we're currently, again, stressing the system locally, both at our facility and in other facilities in town.
Currently, Aiken Regional Medical Centers is reporting 866 positive cases in the county. 27 are hospitalized and 76 have died. University Healthcare System is reporting a record 120 COVID patients hospitalized, bringing the total number of COVID admissions since March to 2,074. AU Health Chief Medical Officer Dr. Philip Kuhl says this is not a new wave, but a continuing one.
This is a large number of people infected at Thanksgiving, and unfortunately, I think Christmas is going to be a 1-2 punch in terms of the number of COVID cases. So as we infected people in the Thanksgiving holidays, then that has continued to grow exponentially.
MedNow Urgent Care founder and CEO Dr. Mark Newton says he and his team are testing about 600 people a day at their facilities.
It's valuable information, even though most of the patients we've seen did not need any further treatment in an emergency department or a hospitalization or anything like that.
At AU Health, Dr. Kuhl says almost 85 people were admitted to the hospital Monday.
That's 85 active COVID patients that are currently on COVID precautions. We actually have more than that in-house, in that once a patient has cleared the immediate infectious period, we remove those from our numbers, but we actually have many more that are still in the facility and obviously occupying a bed.
Percentage positives and asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic people is going up. Small amount of good news with that is those people probably are getting some of the same benefit that we're trying to do with the vaccination. They're getting an immunity that should last for a certain length of time.
Jefferson County's Emergency Management Director Jim Anderson says, quote, while active cases have dropped as individuals are coming out of quarantine or isolation, the infection rate appears to be increasing.